welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another video. This is gonna be a Boohoo haul by the title of this video. I got a couple of pieces from Boohoo that I thought I would come on here and share with you guys. I thought these pieces were cute, a couple of winter pieces, and just, you know, a couple of cute pieces. I haven't did a haul in a minute, and people do enjoy my hauls, so I'm gonna go ahead and just show you what I got. Welcome if you're new, welcome back if you've been here before. My name is Nana, whatever you feel comfortable with saying, I'm fine with. And yeah, this is my channel. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you leave me a comment down below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Yeah, and let's get right into this video. So the first item I got is this sweatshirt. This was supposed to be a sweatsuit, but I don't know if they messed up my order, and I didn't have time to send it back. Even though sending things back in Boohoo has become so much easier, I just didn't feel like dealing with it, so whatever, I'm just gonna keep it. This was supposed to be a sweatsuit. It's well, that's what it said. It was supposed to be a sweatsuit, but instead I got two sweaters. Like, I just got sweaters. I didn't get like pants or anything for it. So yeah, I just got this sweatsuit. It was supposed to be a sweatsuit. Once again, I'm just gonna repeat myself. This is in a size medium. It's just this like cute lounging like sweatsuit. I mean, you can wear this to run errands. I mean, this is really cute, and y'all know I love pink. If you didn't, my favorite color is pink, and I just love pink. And I like a lot of lounging sets too, so I thought this was really cute. I've been wearing it for a couple of days actually. This is one of the first items that I wore from the package that I get. Everything else I haven't worn yet, but this is one of the first items that I did wear. It's really comfortable. I just wish it was a little thicker, but whatever, no complaints. Can't talk. No complaints. I already got a bunch of makeup all over it because I did my first video with this one. But yeah, I just paired these with some jeans since I didn't get the sweats for it. I just paired it with some jeans. Hopefully if you order it, or I may go back online and try to order it again, it doesn't come with two sweaters and it comes with sweats, because if it does, I'm definitely sending that back. But I'm sure if it had came with the sweats, it would have been really cute again. So yeah, this is how the sweater looks. It's pretty long. You know, it's regular, but nobody's gonna wear this sweater. Like, who wears this sweater like that now? A sweatshirt like that. But, and it has a hoodie. The hoodie is pretty big. I like tied it because I always wear my hoodies like this. I always just tie the whatever this is called, and I just wear it like that. And yeah, I just paired it with these jeans. And this is the back of it. And it says Self-Love Club. I'm not sure what it says in the back. I didn't even read it, but I thought this was really cute. So yeah, this is the first item. So this is the second item I got. I just got this flannel. Can you get out? An item I got. It's just this flannel. I forgot what it's called, but it's just a regular like oversized flannel, and I just paired it with this Skims two-piece. But yeah, it's this cute flannel. This is how it looks in the back. It's oversized and I really love it. I don't have any flannels actually. No, I do have flannels, I lied. But I don't have a flannel in this color. I thought this was real cute. You could just throw this on and just run a couple of errands and just run a couple of errands. This is like a nice little like errand running, like just something you can just throw on real quick. And I like the colors. I like the brown, I like the navy blue, the white, like the nude. It's like a whole bunch of it has a whole bunch of different like muted winter fall colors in there, so I really enjoyed this piece. The one thing I kind of don't like about it is that I'm seeing right now on my Skims two-piece, it transfers onto Skims, so I have to like use a lint roller a lot, and I kind of don't like that because nobody wants to be walking around like with lint all over them. So I don't know, I kind of don't like that about it. But other than that, I really like this this item. Yeah. So this is the next item. Like, this is one of my favorite items from the things that I bought because it's pink and it's like fur. You know, I'm mad bougie, low key. But yeah, I love this like little like jacket thing going on. It's pretty warm too, so I'm like shocked. I thought it was gonna be like thin and like cheap filling and everything, but like it feels like so soft and it's just so warm and I love it so much. But yeah, this, you could like dress this up, you could dress this down. Like honestly, you could wear some sweats and some nice sneakers and a white tee with this, or you could wear some jeans like how I'm doing, a little crop top, or you could dress it up if you want to look like extra bougie. But yeah, this piece is like, oh my gosh, like what? You can't tell me shit. You can't tell me nothing with this one. Like what? Rich bitch. Like stop playing with me. Look at this. I love this. Is like my favorite piece. Literally favorite. I got this in a size US 6. Everything is in a US 6, US 8, but I'll leave everything down below because I'm not sure of the sizing right now. But yeah, this jacket, like I have no words. Let me see how it looks when you like tie it up. Like what? Let me see him. Stop playing with me. Come on, y'all. Like I love this jacket so much. But yeah, the next item I got is just this plain white tee, because I feel like you could just never have enough like plain just white basics. And honestly, the material from Boohoo is like really thick, and it was like I'm shocked. It don't feel like no cheap material. It feels like I don't have any of the shirts from Skims, but honestly, like it just looks like the material from Skims. Like it's thick. It's not like, I don't know, I love this white tee. And yeah, I just always pick up a white tee or just a bunch of basics, because you can pair them so many ways. Like you can pair them up, you can pair them down. Like right now I'm just wearing them with jeans, but you can definitely top this with like a cute like out jacket, something cute. Wear some sneakers, put on some hair. You could dress it up, you could dress it down, like I said. I'm gonna leave all the size below because I don't know what size this is, but I just paired mine with some jeans. It's really cute. I love this white tee. The back is just a simple plain white tee, honestly. Nothing too fancy, you know, just a basic white tee. And next item I got is this cute little bomber. Like as soon as I seen this on the website, I was like, nah, I gotta have this. Like I just wish like the arms were a little longer. I'm tall, I'm 5'8", so I have super long arms. So the arms, like they're not short, but they're not as long as I wanted them. Like I wanted them literally right here, like right all the way, like right on my wrist. But I mean, no complaints, whatever. Like I like the material of it. Like this is, I don't know what this is supposed to be like, but the material, this is like a spring kind of coat. You can't really wear this right now because in New York it's like 30 degrees right now, so you need to put on your winter coat. But you can maybe put this under your winter coat, and wherever you're going, and if you get to your destination, you can maybe take your winter coat off and just have this on. I just paired it with a shirt, a regular white tee, and some jeans. And you can wear some super nice sneakers with these. You could put on some jewelry and, you know, just beat your face. This is like a cute little like maybe date night outfit. Like let's say you're going to like a basketball game or something like that, or maybe just to the movies. Like this is real cute. Like this would be like a cute little outfit, or maybe just like a Dave & Buster's like game night type of vibe. Yeah, this is, I love this. These are one of the other pieces that I really did enjoy from my Boohoo like order, that I'm really excited about and that I liked. Yeah, it's that. And this is the back of it. This is the back of the bomber coats. Little varsity jacket. So the next item I got is just this pink shirt. Like you could just never have enough pink in your closet. Well, at least I can't never have enough pink in my closet. Like I will always order something pink when I'm making orders, because it's just like pink looks good on me, one, and it's just like a super girly color. I'm girly. I like to dress up all the time wherever I'm going. Well, it depends, but yep. And This shirt is like long sleeve. It's like, it's not crop top, but it's not like, you know, super long. It stops like right here. I mean, I guess you could like make it extra croppy if you want, and you could just kind of tie the ends if you want. Let me just see how it looks. You can kind of tie the ends if you want. I don't think I'm really gonna wear it like that. I may just wear it like that and just like tie the sides. You could just pair it with some jeans like how I have on. You could pair it with a skirt maybe. I mean, you can wear it however you want to wear it. Like, you know, put your little, you know, dress it up how you want to dress it up. You know, you can dress it up how you feel comfortable. This is it. This is the back of that shirt. Nothing fancy smashy going on in the back, just a regular plain pink shirt. Like, you can never have enough pink shirts, like how I said. I just needed some going out shirts because I didn't really have much. Like I said, like I always buy everything but like just cute tops. I just never have enough cute tops, so I just thought I would pick this up. Well, this is the next item. I got this shirt, this brown turtleneck bodysuit. Like, you know, it's winter, fall, whatever. It's not fall, but it's winter, you know, and brown is like it's actually an all year round color for me. You can wear it in the summer, but yeah, I love this brown shirt. I love the turtleneck. The material, once again, is like just so soft. It's just so comfortable. Like, I don't know, it's just something about like Boohoo's, like their basics, like just the material is just so soft. I just love it. But yeah, you could definitely again pair these with some jeans. I just paired it with these high-waist Fashion Nova jeans. And yeah, you could definitely dress it up. I would definitely wear a fur on top of this because, you know, a girl is extra. I'm just extra bougie like that. I would definitely wear a fur on top of this. Wear some like cute boots or some heels or something like that. This is like a cute like girls night out outfit, or even like a date night outfit if you got a man. Yeah, like I would definitely put on a fur coat, carry my little like bag or whatever, and just like be on about my business. But I'm just loving how soft the material is. Like, it's just so soft. Like, I could literally wear this shirt all day, every day. I think I need to go back and order more shirts like this because the material, I have no complaints. Yeah, this little two-piece, I really liked it. I don't think I have anything like green like this in my wardrobe. This is definitely like a Miami vacation like little two-piece. Honestly, like my Miami collection, and I've never been to Miami, but I just build up this collection where it's like, okay, just in case I am going to Miami, I literally have so much clothes that I can pick from. I don't even need to shop for that trip. I literally have a whole collection for Miami. So this is one of the pieces I'm just gonna add to it. So yeah, like I said, it's just this little two-piece crop top and a little skirt. I don't really wear skirts like that. Like, I'm not a skirt girl. I wear like shorts, I wear jeans, but I don't really wear skirts like that. But this skirt it looks really good on me. I don't know if it's you, but it kind of made me look a little thick, you know, because I'm a skinny mini over here. But this is how it looks in the back of it. I'm a little ashy right now, but this is the back of it. And I love this two-piece. Like, oh my gosh. I am so hairy, it's ridiculous. Okay, so that concludes the end of this video. Those are all the items I got from Boohoo. I will definitely leave the links and all the sizes to everything linked down below. I'll also leave my stats, my height, my weight, so you can just know what size you may wear or what may look good on you. I don't know. For the people with my body type, I'm gonna leave everything down in a description box down below. Yeah, with that being said, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on your bell notifications so you are notified of the next time I post up a video. And make sure you leave me a comment down below. Maybe let me know which one was your favorite item. Let me know if you're maybe gonna grab some of these items or not. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.